system unless we have the full cooperation by the police. Therefore, what we are doing now is to ensure that we have a system that links us with all the critical agents we work with. Tomorrow, we are launching the e-filing in Mombasa, and it is already interlinked with the ODPP. The next phase will be also to link the police. As the Inspector General of Police has mentioned, we want to get all the information from the occurrence book to the statements recorded at the police station, rounded in our CTS. That will form part of the records of the criminal cases that are before us. They will move to the ODPP, where he will hand in the charge sheet and any other information that he is bringing to court. Once the matter is tried at the magistrate's court, the same system, if there is an appeal, will move to the High Court and to the Court of Appeal when everything is in the system. So that is the kind of system we are launching tomorrow, and we look forward to the next launch when we will now be incorporating also the police. So I wish you well. Like you have been told, your tray is full, and that is why when I was called yesterday late, I said duty calls first. I do not want your tray to continue piling because the Chief Justice is busy with a very, very tight calendar. Let me slot you in the morning. And I'm so happy when I arrived here at 7:15, you people were already here. So thank you very much, and God bless you, and God guide you in your new assignment. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Justice. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of the ceremony, and I'll just ask that we proceed to the staircase for a very brief photo session. Thank you very much. DCI.